Ever wonder why some people are super healthy? Let's spill the secrets. First up, water, the magic elixir. Drinking enough can boost your metabolism by up to 30%. That's like turbocharging your body. Next, sleep. Did you know just one night of poor sleep can increase cravings for junk food by 45%? And guess what? Even a brisk 30-minute walk can elevate your mood. It releases endorphins, your body's happy chemicals. But wait, pro tip, ditch the junk food. Swap it for colorful fruits and veggies. Did you know that a rainbow on your plate can lower your risk of chronic diseases? Now, let's talk about mental health. Taking time for mindfulness or meditation can reduce your stress levels by 30%. Next, strength training. Just 2 sessions a week can increase your overall strength and help you live longer. Plus, laughter, it's free medicine. It can boost your immune system and lower your stress hormone levels. So, giggle more. Here's the twist. All these habits work together. Upgrade one, and the rest follow. It's a domino effect of health. So, what are you waiting for? Hydrate, sleep, move, and munch on that vibrant plate. How healthy will you get today? Make a change and tell us your first step in the comments.